Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics here to talk about Black Friday deals. You don't want to miss out on this. We're kicking this off right now, running our sales all the way through Cyber Monday. What you can expect, we've never done something quite like this. The savings are incredible. So off of all of our hot pad kits, these are so fun to make. We've done supporting videos on that. Great to have and amazing to give as a gift. You can make those in just a couple hours. All of those kits, buy one, get one, 50% off. In fact, this whole time, the deals I'll be talking about are BOGO50, buy one, get one, 50% off. Again, hanging towels. I've done videos, of course, on this. Maybe you've seen those. These are so fun to make, wonderful to give with the fabric covered button that'll be, of course, inside your kit, as well as the towel. Awesome, fun to make. They're beautiful in a guest bathroom. We also have our standard and travel pillowcases, buy one, get one, 50% off. And then we went through a big part of our kits. Those are also select kits, buy one, get one, 50% off. As I said, we're running this all the way through Cyber Monday. And just to make it even more fun, absolutely every single day of the sale, all the way up through Sunday, a little something extra coming for you Cyber Monday. But from now through Sunday, if you place an order on the website, you will be entered to win a $100 gift certificate each day. We're giving away a $100 gift certificate, announcing the winner the following day on our website. So, and it doesn't have to be BOGO items, anything, a spool of thread will enter you into winning that $100 gift certificate daily. Sunday night, I am putting more items on sale for Cyber Monday. Again, all that BOGO50 will still be on sale. I'll be adding new items that night, plus on Cyber Monday. If you place an order, maybe you place an order again, you want to go check out those new items. Now, any order you place on the website on Cyber Monday, you will be eligible to win a $250 gift certificate. So we love to give you, know that about us here at Shabby Fabrics, incredible deals and savings. And of course, make sure you include yourself as well. I know as quilters, we have big hearts. We're always thinking about others, but maybe there's some select kits in there you'd like to grab right now. These deals really come just once a year. So be sure to enjoy the savings. And hey, just a reminder that because of the volume of sales, we won't be able to combine orders. As you can imagine, as soon as they come in, we're whisking them off into the warehouse to get filled so we can get you those kits just as quickly as possible. So enjoy the savings. Let a friend know about that as well. And I'll see you soon on another Shabby video.